गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लेक्चर नंबर 9 करेंगे। इससे पहले हम लेक्चर नंबर 8 कर चुके हैं। रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, वक्रता त्रिज्या से संबंधित कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे। प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। वक्र y इक्वल टू ए एक्स अपॉन ए प्लस एक्स के लिए सिद्ध कीजिए कि एक्स अपॉन वाई का होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई अपॉन एक्स का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 रो अपॉन ए होल रेस्ट टू पावर 2/3 for a curve y is equal to x upon a plus x. Prove that x upon y का whole square plus y upon x whole square is equal to 2 rho upon a whole power 2/3. Solution: we are given that y is equal to x upon a plus x. Equation number 1. Differential with respect to x on both sides. दोनों और x के सापेक्ष अवकलन करने पर dy upon dx is equal to हर का स्क्वायर ए प्लस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर, अंश में आ जाएगा ए बाहर, ए प्लस एक्स इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर अपॉन ए प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर. देन dy अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू ए अपॉन ए प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर. अगेन डिफरेंशियल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स ऑन बोथ साइड. d2y अपॉन dx स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू minus 2a square upon a plus x whole cube. Now we know that rho is equal to 1 plus dy upon dx whole square whole power 3/2 upon d2y upon dx square. Put all the values dy upon dx and d2y upon dx square. Then you find that rho is equal to 1 plus a raised to power 4 upon a plus x power 4 whole power 3/2 upon minus 2a square upon a plus x whole cube. Then you find that 2 rho upon a is equal to a plus x power 4 plus a raised to power 4 whole power 3/2 upon minus a cube into a plus x whole cube. Taking 2 by 3 power on both sides, then you find that 2 rho upon a whole power 2/3 is equal to a plus x power 4 plus a raised to power 4 upon a square into a plus x whole square. Is equal to a plus x upon a whole square plus a upon a plus x whole square is equal to x into a plus x upon ax whole square plus ax upon a plus x into 1 upon x whole square. Put the value of a plus x upon ax as 1 upon y and the value of ax upon a plus x as y from equation number 1. We find that is equal to x into 1 upon y whole square plus y into 1 upon x whole square. समीकरण नंबर 1 से by the equation number 1 implies that 2 rho upon a whole power 2/3 is equal to x upon y whole square plus y upon x whole square. Hence proved. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. यदि x बराबर c log s प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ सी स्क्वायर प्लस एस स्क्वायर और y बराबर अंडर रूट ऑफ सी स्क्वायर प्लस एस स्क्वायर, तो सिद्ध कीजिए कि रो बराबर वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन सी. इफ x इक्वल टू सी इंटू लॉग एस प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ सी स्क्वायर प्लस एस स्क्वायर एंड y इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ सी स्क्वायर प्लस एस स्क्वायर, then show that rho is equal to y square upon c. Solution: we are given that x equal to c log s plus under root of c square plus s square. Differential with respect to s on both sides. dx by ds is equal to c into 1 upon s plus under root c square plus s square into bracket 1 plus s upon under root of c square plus s square. dx by ds is equal to c upon under root of c square plus s square. And we are also given that y is equal to under root of c square plus s square. Differential with respect to s on both sides. then we find dy upon ds is equal to s upon under root of c square plus s square. इसलिए dy upon dx is equal to dy upon ds upon dx by ds. Put both the values, then you find that s upon c is equal to s upon c. dy upon dx is equal to s upon c. Differential with respect to x on both sides, then find d2y upon dx square is equal to 1 upon c into ds by dx, and put the value of ds by dx is equal to 1 upon c into under root of c square plus s square upon c equal to under root of c square plus s square upon c square. Now we know that by the formula of radius of curvature, rho is equal to 1 plus dy upon dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon d2y upon dx square. Put both the values of dy by dx and d2y by dx square is equal to 1 plus s square upon c square whole power 3 by 2 upon under root c square plus s square upon c square. Solving these equations, we find that rho is equal to c square plus s square upon c is equal to under root of c square plus s square whole square upon c. Put the value of under root of c square plus s square as y, then you find that rho is equal to y square upon c. Question number 3, very important question. वक्र x रेस टू पावर n इज इक्वल टू a रेस टू पावर n कोस n थीटा के लिए सिद्ध कीजिए कि रो बराबर a की पावर n अपॉन n प्लस 1 इंटू r की पावर n माइनस 1, या रो समानुपाती 1 अपॉन r रेस टू पावर n माइनस 1. For the curve r raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n cos n theta, prove that rho is equal to a raised to power n upon n plus 1 into r raised to power n minus 1, and rho is proportional to 1 upon r raised to power n minus 1. We are given that r raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n cos n theta. Equation number 1, taking logarithm on both sides, n log r is equal to n log a plus log cos n theta. Differential with respect to theta on both sides, n upon r into dr by d theta is equal to minus n sin n theta upon cos n theta, implies that dr by d theta is equal to minus r tan in n theta. And again differential with respect to theta on both sides, then you find d2r by d theta square is equal to minus dr by d theta into tan n theta minus nr sec square n theta. We put the value of dr by d theta, we find d2r by d theta square equal to r into tan square n theta minus nr into sec square n theta. Now we know that by the formula rho is equal to r square plus dr by d theta whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon r square plus 2 into dr by d theta whole square minus r into d2r by d theta square. This is the formula of radius of curvature in polar coordinate. When the equation of curve is given as in the form of polar, that and then rho, put all the value of dr by d theta and d2r by d theta square, you find that rho is equal to r square plus r square tan square n theta whole power 3 by 2 upon r square plus 2 into r square tan square n theta minus r into bracket r tan square n theta minus nr sec square n theta. By solving, we find that is equal to r cube sec cube n theta upon r square into 1 plus 2 tan square n theta minus tan square n theta plus n sec square n theta is equal to r sec cube n theta upon 1 plus tan square n theta plus n sec square n theta equal to r into sec cube n theta upon sec square n theta plus n into sec square n theta. is equal to r into sec cube n theta upon n plus 1 common and sec square n theta is equal to r upon n plus 1 into cos n theta. Implies that rho is equal to r upon n plus 1 into r raised to power n minus 1. Sorry, rho is equal to r upon n plus 1 into r की power n upon a की power n. By the equation number 1, put the value of cos n theta, then we find this, and implies that rho is equal to a raised to power n upon n plus 1 into r raised to power n minus 1. And e की power n upon n plus 1 we assume as a constant, that means k. Then you find rho is equal to k into 1 upon r raised to power n minus 1. Implies that rho is proportional to 1 upon r raised to power n minus 1. Hence proved.